Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning how to write the numbers and pronounce the numbers in Spanish for 20 through 29. The first number that we have here is number 20, and in Spanish it is written like this, and it's pronounced veinte, veinte, veinte. Next number is the Spanish number 21, and it is written all together like this, and it's pronounced veintiuno, veintiuno, veintiuno. The next number is number 22, and in Spanish it's written like this. As you can see, we have an accent mark on the O. Remember that little small hat or accent mark is on top of the O when it comes to number 22. The pronunciation is veintidós, veintidós, veintidós. Let's go to the next one, number 23, and in Spanish, it is written like this. As you can see as well, this one also has a hat on top of the E, the last E that is. So it's pronounced veintitrés, veintitrés, veintitrés. The next one is number 24 in Spanish, and it is written like this in Spanish. And it's pronounced veinticuatro, veinticuatro, veinticuatro. Let's go to number 25. Number 25 is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced like this: veinticinco, veinticinco, veinticinco. The next one's number 26, and it's pronounced, or it's written like this in Spanish. Notice I put a cap or an accent mark on the last E for number 6, seis. You have this little cap right here on top of the E. The pronunciation is veintiséis, veintiséis, veintiséis. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is veintisiete, and it is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced veintisiete, veintisiete, 27. The next number we're going to learn is number 28, and it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced veintiocho, veintiocho, veintiocho. All right, let's go to the last number in this video. It's number 29, and it is written in Spanish like this, and it's pronounced veintinueve, 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 veintinueve. No, these are all one word. One word, not separate. One word. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The numbers 20 to 29. If by chance you were unable to pronounce or write, or remember to write down the Spanish word for the number, just stop this video, rewind it, and play it over until you memorize it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.